Hello everyone and welcome to a batch tutorial on making a save feature. So if you want to make a game where you have your variables and then a user types in like a name for their save and then it saves it and then you can reload it, that's what I'm going to show you today. So I'm going to use Notepad++. Again, you can use Notepad++, or any program that you want that can edit batch. So I'm just going to save this right away as save feature. Or about you course, you can save it however you want, and you can modify it however you want. So I'm going to say save feature.bat and then all files. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type add echo off. It tells the system to only display what the code does and not the code itself. And I'm going to add a title. Save feature. So now I'm going to have my variables at the beginning. Set life equals 100. I'll make a few. Set sword equals 0 and set gun equals 0 and set ammo equals 0 because I have to have ammo if I have a gun. Anyways, so there are my 4 variables. And I'm going to echo press any key to save. So basically you don't have to have all of this as long as you know your variables that you want to have. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, and this is where the save feature comes in, echo. So I'm going to have them set /p name equals enter a name to save the game under. So now they're going to be able to enter in a name and it'll save the game under that. So I'm going to say echo, which, and then I'm going to say set life equals life percent, so it'll display how much life they have, and the echo will just tell it to display this text in a text document. So it'll say do this just one. The first time you enter in a text and you want to enter in more lines, you only do one. The next time you do 2 of these. So and then I'm gonna do quotations. I'm sorry, I'm a little off today. But anyways, quotations, and then I'm just going to do percent name %.bat. So now I have the beginning of this. So now I'm just going to copy this and paste this. I'm going to add another one of these little arrow things, just because once you are on the next line, then you will do that, and you need another one. So I'm going to do sword sword percent set life equal percent. This is gonna be gun, and then the last one is ammo. So basically, now we have where it will create a file. Now, just to have some fun, we're gonna add this where it says set /a ammo equal percent ammo percent plus percent random percent. So it'll pick a random amount. So now I'm going to do CLS, which clears the screen, and then set /p load, and this is to load up a new game. Load equals enter the name of the file you want to load, and then they will not need to enter an extension because we already know the extension is supposed to be .bat. So now if they're going to enter name, I'm going to type in if exist, if not, and I'm just going to make this load, if not exist percent load percent. I'm going to add parentheses in case they make it a multi-lined name that bat go to load. So if the file that they type in doesn't exist, then we'll just loop around. Okay, so if it does exist, I'm going to type in call, which will kind of go to the file and take all the variables or stuff in it, and it will set that into this file. So, or if you have like an echo and display text, it will display it into this file. Call percent load %.bat. Okay, so now I'm going to type in echo, and we're going to have display everything, echo life %, all this stuff. So I'm gonna so now after I load the file, it will display all the information about that file, not the information up here. Although it will originally load the information, once we call the file, it will change all of that information to whatever is in the file, which can be good. But again, if you have variables that one's this supposed to be this one and the other one's the same variable name and it's supposed to be this thing, it can run into problems. That's why you always set your variables to your names. So I'm just gonna do pause, exit. So now I'm just gonna save this. So now my save feature is pretty it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna open up a save feature, press any key to save. Enter a name to save under. So you'll see that it'll create a batch file with this name. I'm just gonna name it save. And it will create save. So if I right click on this and click edit, you'll see it'll create all my info. Well, I have 100 life, 0 sword, gun, and 256 ammo, which is a random number. The name of the file we want to go, if I just type in this, you'll see it'll loop around. And I'm going to type in save. And it will load this up and show all the information about the file. So again, you can have even more variables. This is good if it's a really complex game where it takes a lot of time. So this is very handy. So anyways, again, you can perfect this any way you want. It doesn't matter. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later.